Hello again. As you realize that happiness hormones are vital for having the better life. Now, I'll mention some other ways to increase it. But wait a minute, like, share and subscribing me, it's good that you can do it easily. 3. Enjoy the sun. Did you know that simply being outside in the sunlight can help lift your mood? Studies show that being exposed to sunlight can boost serotonin levels in the body. It's suggested to take a 15-minute walk outside when the sun is out. This not only allows you to get fresh air and improve your mood, but also lets you appreciate nature and the sunshine, which brings happiness. Just remember to wear sunscreen to protect your skin from sunburn. 4. Cook together with someone special. Cooking with a loved one is important and can boost your happiness hormones. Eating tasty food can make you release dopamine and endorphins. Sharing a meal and cooking with someone you love can also increase oxytocin levels. Some foods can impact your hormone levels, so keep these in mind when preparing meals to boost your happy hormones. Spicy foods can release endorphins. Foods like yogurt, beans, eggs, lean meats, almonds, etc. can trigger dopamine release. Tryptophan-rich foods can increase serotonin levels. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut can have an impact on other happiness hormones. 5. Enjoy some music. Listening to music can boost one of your happy hormones. Happy and rhythmic music can make your brain produce more dopamine. If you like music, listening to your favorite song can improve your mood. This can lead to increased serotonin production, making you feel even better. 6. Try meditation. Meditation has many benefits, like better sleep and less stress. It can increase dopamine production in your brain. Meditation is not hard. You can do it anywhere, anytime. Just clear your mind of thoughts, take deep breaths, and focus on something you enjoy. Even just 10 minutes of this can help you relax and feel better. 7. Be with your partner more. Oxytocin is known as the love hormone. Being in love naturally boosts oxytocin levels, but physical affection like kissing, cuddling, or intimacy can also increase oxytocin production. Spending time with someone you love can boost oxytocin levels, bringing more intimacy and positive feelings to the relationship, making you feel happy or euphoric. To really boost your happy hormones, remember that dancing and intimacy release endorphins, and experiencing an orgasm releases dopamine. 8. Get good sleep. Sleep is nice, right? Not getting enough quality sleep can impact your health in many ways. It can mess with your hormones, like dopamine, and affect your mood and physical well-being. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night can help balance your hormones, making you feel happier and more relaxed the next day. If you struggle to sleep well, try these tips. Stick to a regular sleep schedule. Create a peaceful sleep environment. Reduce light, noise, and screens. Limit caffeine intake, especially in the afternoon and evening. 9. Eat foods with tryptophan. Tryptophan is a type of amino acid that is important for the body. You can find tryptophan in milk, eggs, meat, fish, turkey, nuts, fruits like bananas, and cheese. Your body needs tryptophan to make serotonin, a happy hormone. It also helps make red blood cells along with folic acid and iron. Boost your mood with exercise by increasing your happy hormones. Exercise has many benefits for your body, but it also has a big impact on your mental health. It can directly affect your mood and emotions. Regular physical activity. It can increase levels of dopamine and serotonin in your body, in addition to endorphins. Make sure to prioritize exercise in your routine to reap these benefits. Here are some tips to help increase your happy hormones with exercise. Work out with friends or your partner. Research suggests that exercising with loved ones boosts your happy hormones in various ways. For example, dancing with your partner can boost your oxytocin levels along with endorphins. Get outside for exercise. Spending time in the sun can help increase your serotonin levels, so try to exercise outdoors when possible. Schedule your workouts. Aim to exercise for at least 30 minutes every day. Even small amounts of physical activity can benefit your health, but higher intensity exercise is shown to release more endorphins. Living without happiness hormones is not possible, as they provide motivation, love, and joy. This video discussed the different types of happy hormones and ways to boost them in your life and body. To improve your quality of life, take the methods mentioned here seriously. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Your suggested are always welcome, so feel free to tell in comments.